Do you know you can easily transfer contacts, photos, music, videos, messages, notes, calendars and more to virtually any Samsung Galaxy device? In this video, I will show you a very useful feature in your Galaxy phone to move all your files and settings to your new Galaxy device. You just need both phones to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network source, and then follow the instructions. If you do not have this feature in your phone, then goes to Play Store and search for Smart Switch. Do you want to share your Wi-Fi connection with someone without giving the password? Then Wi-Fi to QR code is very useful trick lets you share your Wi-Fi connection with your friends, family and colleagues without telling your Wi-Fi password. Scan QR code on another device to connect to Wi-Fi without entering the password. Automatically connect to a Wi-Fi network after scanning a Wi-Fi QR code. This will allow guests to connect to your Wi-Fi network without revealing the password. Using Wi-Fi QR will automatically connect your friends and family to your Wi-Fi network when scanned. If you do not have this feature in your phone, then goes to Play Store and search for Wi-Fi to QR code. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.